Hey, I'm Emily Skye and I'm here with Yahoo Lifestyle to take you through an upper body workout for beginners. Today we'll be targeting your arms, chest and shoulders so you feel strong. Grab a chair and a pair of light dumbbells and let's get started. You smashed it, and if your phone suddenly feels really heavy, don't worry, it means you did a great job. If you want to keep sweating it out with more workouts like this, try my Fit Foundations program for 7 days free via the Fit app, or follow me on Instagram, Emily Skye Fit, for more fitness tips.